So as many of you know, my name is Doug Joseph, and Sharon Lawless is joining us today. She's going to be a pretend student, so you can kind of see what will happen when we proctor your exam online. So first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and get into Microsoft Teams, and I'll show you links on how to do that later on. When you come into the test, though, I'll first want to see your ID. So if you could show your ID up to the screen, just like Sharon's doing here, just make sure I can see your name and your photo. So I'll need to see a photo ID, and then I'll need to see your page of note. Remember, you can have a 3x5 or a 5x8 note card. So you'll want to show that up on the screen so I can see that front and back. And then I'll just have you pan around the room so we can make sure that you're in the room by yourself. All right. And then throughout the testing session, once or twice, I'll just have you show your computer screen. So if you got on a tablet, you can show your computer screen just to make sure you don't have any web browsers open other than the My Math Lab window. And then that's it. So just make sure you have your notes. Your scratch paper, you can just send it to me. You can take a picture of it on your phone, or you can scan and send your scratch paper to me, and then I'll grade your exam after that. Hey, thank you very much, Sharon, for helping, and hope everyone does well in their final exam next week.